Let me tell you the truth that most people won't say. Your hair is not growing not because it cannot grow, but because of what you are doing to it daily without even realizing. Before you spend more money on another product, before you try another miracle oil, you need to hear this, because the truth is some of the most powerful hair growth solutions are already in your kitchen, but you are either using them the wrong way or not using them at all. And today I am revealing the 5 most powerful DIYs that can completely change your hair growth journey. But make sure you stay till the end, because one of these DIYs is the real game changer. Let's dive straight in. And the first one is onion plus cloves. Why it works. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which helps to boost collagen production, and this helps to regenerate hair follicles. It also improves blood circulation to the scalp. For cloves, it contains eugenol, which stimulates hair follicles and has adiphago properties. So, how do you make these two? You can choose to blend 1 large onion, you strain the juice, and then you add 1 tablespoon of cloves oil or soaked cloves in oil for 2 days. Mix them well and then start applying it on your scalp, and each time you apply, ensure that you massage. Alternatively, you can blend both the onion and the cloves, blend together, strain the juice, and then apply it on your scalp by just spraying it. Let it stay for like 30 to 45 minutes and then wash. The benefits of this is it stops hair shedding, it awakes dormant follicles, and it helps to thicken hair strands over time. Number 2 is rice water plus fenugreek spray growth. How it works. Rice water contains inositol, which repairs damaged hair and strengthens strands. For the fenugreek is packed with protein and nicotinic acids, which helps to promote rapid growth and reduce hair fall. How to make this? Soak, for example, a half cup rice in water for 24 hours, then soak like 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds separately overnight. That is, you soak the rice and the fenugreek seeds separately, then blend the fenugreek and mix them with the rice water, strain to get your liquid, then put in a spray bottle, spray on scalp daily for like 2 or 3 times in a week. The benefit is it's going to strengthen your weak roots, it's going to reduce breakage massively, and it's going to make hair fuller, thicker, and more shiny. Number 3 is aloe vera plus castor oil deep growth treatment. How it works. Aloe vera contains some enzymes that repair damaged scalp cells. For the castor oil is rich in resinolic acid, which improves scalp circulation and locks in moisture. How to make this? Extract fresh aloe vera gel, mix it well with like 2 tablespoons of castor oil. How to use is apply it to the scalp and also to the hair. You can decide to leave it overnight for best results, or you can decide to wait for like 30 to 1 hour. If you have left it overnight, wash it in the morning or wash it after 30 or 1 hour, 30 minutes or 1 hour. Its benefit is it deeply moisturizes your dry scalp, it promotes faster, thicker hair growth, and it helps with dandruffs and itchiness. Number 4 is ginger plus coconut oil. Why it works? Ginger increases blood flow to the scalp, resulting to more nutrients reaching your hair follicles. For the coconut oil, it penetrates deeply into the hair shaft and prevents protein loss. How you can make it is grate fresh ginger, that is to extract the juice, then mix it with like 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then apply it to your scalp, massage gently and leave it for like 20 or 30 minutes. Then you can decide to wash, or you can decide to be applying it daily on your scalp, or once in a week or twice in a week. Its benefit is it helps to boost hair growth speed, it strengthens roots, and it helps to reduce thinning edges. Number 5 is avocado plus egg, that is protein growth mask. Why it works? Avocado is rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, which helps to nourish follicles. For the eggs, they provide protein, which is essential because hair is made of keratin, and keratin is a protein. How to make it? You can mash or blend one ripe avocado, then you add your egg, blend together, mix together until smooth, then you can strain, and then now apply that mask on your hair and scalp. Leave it for like 30 minutes, then rinse with cool water. Remember, cool water. Its benefit is it helps to repair damaged hair, prevents breakage, and makes hair thicker and stronger over time. So now you have all 5 powerful DIYs that can completely change your hair growth journey. But here is the truth, this will only work if you stay consistent. The difference between people whose hair grows and those who struggle is not the product, but it is discipline. Start just one of these DIYs this week. Stay consistent and watch what happens to your hair in the next few coming weeks. And when you start seeing results, please come back and tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear your progress. Actually, I have shared everything that helped me grow my hair. Now the question is, are you actually going to try it or just watch and scroll? Because this is where everything changes. And so I challenge you, pick one DIY from this video and use it consistently. Hair growth is a journey, and if you have been struggling, just know you are not alone. I have been there too, and other people have also been there. But with the right knowledge and consistency, your hair can grow, it can thrive, and it can become everything you want it to be. So let's do this together. Please drop a comment down there below and tell me which DIY you are going to try first. I'm actually rooting for you, because these are not just random DIYs. These are methods that actually works when done the right way. But remember, results don't come from watching videos, they come from action. So don't just leave this video inspired, but leave this video with a plan. Choose your DIY, stay consistent, and give your hair the chance to grow the way it's supposed to grow. Okay, so please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment something, and also don't forget to subscribe. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe.